Best Shopify Size Chart Apps. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to install some of the best size chart apps that you're going to find on the Shopify App Store. So what is the purpose of the chart tables or the size chart? It is going to be basically a universal manual or table to let customers see what is the perfect measurement for them. For example, you're going to have the standard, let's say sizes like large, small, extra large, or L, S, M, XL, something like that. And also we are going to have some centimeters measurements and also some inches. How we can do or get these apps? Basically, you are going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to face up the admin dashboard. We're going to click on the search bar and type in size chart just like that and search on the App Store. Now, I'm going to present for you some of the best ones. I'm going to present for you at least 5. So we're going to have from the best, let's say, voted ones. We can go ahead and have the MP size chart and size guide. This is the first one. We have also the BF size chart and size guide. This one, and we have the smart size chart and size guide. As you can see, their names are going to be very similar, and we can go ahead and also have this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add the last one, which is going to be this one. So we're going to have 5. This is the first one, MP size chart and size guide. As you can see, it is going to be free to install. They have a free trial available. We have the free plan available also on, and also the free trial on BF size chart and size guide. We have the smart size chart and size guide. These apps are going to be all built for Shopify, as you can see, like that. And finally, we have this one, not final, but before, we have the CSC and we have the ESC. These all the apps are going to install the size guide as a link. You can go ahead and do that manually, but some of them are going to have some customization going on. So the better customization that you're going to get, the, let's say here, the more understandable for the clients. And as you can see, some of these, like those, have some animations, icons, and etc., which is going to be awesome. So these are going to be some of the best, let's say, apps that you can go ahead and install, and it is going to be very easy. And I'm going to let you see here a bonus method, which is going to be consistent of having the AI of the Shopify store generating this kind of apps. So we're going to head over the product. We're going to head over a product, maybe like this one, and we are going to click on the generate text, and we're going to type in here something. I'm going to put create a table or size chart table in inches for the let's say t-shirts. I am going to click on generate and wait for a few seconds. It is going to have this size chart. Click on keep and you're going to see that normally it is going to create that table in a perfect way. So if you are not going to see it like that, you can go ahead and create it by ChatGPT or something like that, and it is going to correct itself. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.